Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to get ETH in Trust Wallet using an easy method. First, ensure you have the official Trust Wallet application installed on your mobile device, available for both iOS and Android. Once installed, you will create a new wallet. During this process, you'll receive a 12-word recovery phrase. Write this down and store it in a very safe offline location. Remember, Trust Wallet is non-custodial, meaning you have complete control over your funds, so protecting this phrase is crucial. Always keep your app updated for the best experience. To begin acquiring Ethereum, tap the Buy button prominently displayed on your Trust Wallet home screen. Next, you will select Ethereum or ETH from the comprehensive list of cryptocurrencies available for purchase. You can then specify the amount you wish to buy, either in your local fiat currency, like US dollars or euros, or a specific quantity of Ether. Trust Wallet partners with several trusted third-party providers, offering various payment methods such as debit cards, credit cards, Apple Pay, or Google Pay. Choose the option that best suits your needs. After selecting your amount and payment method, carefully review all transaction details, including any associated fees, before proceeding. Depending on the third-party provider and your region, you might need to complete a Know Your Customer verification process, which typically involves providing some personal identification. Once verified, securely enter your payment information. After successful payment, your purchased Ethereum will be processed and should appear in your Trust Wallet balance within a few minutes, ready for you to manage or use. Protecting your digital assets is paramount. Never, under any circumstances, share your 12-word recovery phrase with anyone. It grants full access to your funds. Enable all available security features within the app, such as biometric authentication like fingerprint or facial recognition, or set a strong, unique PIN code. Always be extremely cautious of phishing attempts and suspicious links, only interacting with official Trust Wallet channels. Finally, regularly update your Trust Wallet application to benefit from the latest security enhancements and bug fixes, keeping your assets as safe as possible.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.